Hey hey, it's Katie here, and today is day 2 exploring Bangkok. Sunday, I've just had 2 days doing a work conference, and today we checked out of the work conference hotel and moved to a different hotel over at, it's called the X2 Vibe Hotel. It's near On Nut Station. Check-in's not for another hour, so we thought we would pop to a nearby market and just get some food. I started off with some drinks. I'm not entirely sure what these drinks are. I pointed to an orange one and a red one, hoping it was orange and strawberry. But I think it's just kind of like a juice syrup thing with water. It tastes really nice actually. If you haven't been watching this for a while, we actually live in China, and we live in northern China in a place called Tianjin. So at the moment in February it's minus the weather, it's horrifically cold. It snowed a few weeks ago, it's really cold. So it's a big change coming here, and it's like 30 degrees and I'm sweating. And it's a nice welcoming warmth. So in this little market there's like these little stalls just inside and behind me. I have lots of different types of food. I thought I'd kind of point and hope for the best. They kind of did have some like loose translation. So one of the dishes that have just come, it is a chicken and rice dish with garlic. It smells pretty good. You can taste that garlic, but the sauce is really nice. I like it. So we've also ordered some sauté vegetables with oyster sauce that smell amazing, and we've also got a pad thai. I love pad thai. I'm a big lover of pad thai. Kind of always finds it too boring, but I love pad thai. That's nice. There's a bit of a kick to it. They have like I think there might be lemongrass in there or something. There's like a flavour of lemongrass, but there's a bit of a kick to it as well. So we've got like noodles. I think there might be a little bit of chicken in there. Noodles, chicken, like nuts, and bean sprouts and onion. A bit of lime to squeeze on top of it. Oh, it's really good. It's really peanutty. I like it. Right, so we just finished lunch and checked into our hotel. I really enjoyed lunch, it was really nice. Last time we came to Thailand, I really didn't eat that much street food at all. I was really cautious about getting sick and stuff like that. I guess living in China has kind of taught me to be a bit more adventurous with my food choices. Anyway, I really enjoyed that food. It was really, really lovely. So yes, we've just checked into our hotel. We're staying at the X2 Hotel, or the Cross 2 Vibe Hotel, just off Sukhumvit Road near the On Nut Station. And it's a really nice room. It's really spacious. It's got a cool little balcony, and it's got some really funky pillows as well. So we're gonna relax here for a bit and then go see a bit more of the local area, I think. Right, so we are here. I'm not entirely sure what we found. We decided to explore near our hotel this evening because we moved hotels today, and kind of the point of our visit to Bangkok is to explore some of the more residential areas and see what there is other than the big tourist sites, because we'd already been to the tourist sites last time we were here. So we walked along the Sukhumvit Road, and literally just outside On Nut Station, opposite the Tesco's, there is a place, I think it's called the Corner 79. It's got a really nice area. You can sit down and have a drink, and they have like a little food market, and you can go see some food. So it's a bit like the W district that we found the other day, but it's a little bit smaller. It has like a lovely little, what would you call it, a lake, Callum? A river that runs through it? A pond maybe? I'm not sure. It's a nice little area, so. So I have ordered us some food. I have got some chicken skewers. These are about 20 baht, and they look amazing. And I've also ordered some pork satays. I really love pork satay. In the UK, whenever we go to a Thai restaurant, I have pork satays. You can't really find them. Even in like Thai restaurants in China, you can't find pork satays. So I'm excited to try them. Got a really lovely sauce on it. I think it's like barbecue. I think it's just barbecue, but it's really nice. Really good. You'll like it, Callum, I reckon. So I've also got some pork satays. I dip it in my peanut butter sauce. It's really tender. Hashtag. So the meat's really thin. It's so tender. It's really good. Right, so we've ordered a few more bits of food. Now I have got some prawns. They were grilled prawns. I don't know if they've got anything on them, but we'll see. So that's the end of our evening here in Bangkok. I really enjoyed our meal here this evening. I would definitely recommend finding these little like hole in the wall type places. It's really nice. It's really cheap. So I had a lovely day today. If you like this video, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more travel videos. Until next time, bye. Does anyone else do this when this song comes on, or is it just me? You can stop going.